Well, it's right now almost 6 o'clock at night, or 1800 hours for those who care. I figured since, I oiled this and stuff last week, in fact, back April 1st, April 1st, actually I did oil it and whatnot, I figured I'd let this run for a while and see how well it's performing. And despite the fact that it did have a little bit of chattering, but now that that's gone, it seems to be doing pretty well. But mind you, this is on the low speed, so probably when the weather gets warmer, I'll see how it runs on high. Let's check spin down time. Like I said, the bearings are so shot, they're going to have that chattering no matter what. Not bad, but hey, like I said, anything's better than what you last saw. It's almost 8 o'clock at night, and, well, there's a part 2 to this. Yeah, earlier I had the fan on low, and it was quiet but still chattering. This time it's on high, chattering more, but not as bad as it was when you first saw it. So yeah. Like I said, not bad. I mean, it's not oscillating because I'm very limited on space at the moment, but I think it's a success. Maybe. So yeah, I guess till next time, thanks for watching. Comic Box is open.